What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the door lock actuator. This is a '07 BMW 335. It's making noise when I try to lock or unlock it. Pretty much giving me a hard time unlocking it. So I went to my local junkyard and they actually had a BMW there. So I pulled out the actuator. I have it right here. We're gonna throw it in. Hopefully this works how it's supposed to and it's not messed up like this one. It's pretty simple to change this. You just gotta take the door panel off and then de-lock. So what I'm gonna do first is take this rubber seal off. This is for the door lock. You have to remove this. It's an Allen. So I removed the door lock already. And I took the plastic trim that was here off. So now what you wanna do is there's 3 bolts over here that hold the door panel on. I think they're at T25. Go ahead, remove those, and then just pull the door panel off. Next, what you want to do is a rod out for the lock. Disconnect this wire right here, and then the power wire. So next up, you have 3 T30s that actually hold the actuator in place. There's one right there, and then one right here at the top on the side of the door, and one at the bottom. So take those 3 bolts out, and then there's another cable from inside the door panel that we have to get. So I got the 3 bolts for the actuator out. What I realized, and it's easier if you do this to get the actual actuator to slide out of the door panel, is to loosen the window regulator. So there's a 10mm at the top and there's one at the bottom. From over here down there. So you just need to move the regulator over a little bit and then you can easily get it out.
It's hard to get you guys that view, but that cable right there is on the actuator. That has to come off too before you disconnect it and pull it out.
So when I pull this out of the door, I pretty much slid it down this way and I turned it a little bit and I just brought it straight out. Right here is a wire harness. You need to pull it off, and then there's one on the bottom and then it comes out. So it's pretty much gonna go back in the same exact way you took it out. Alright, so I finished putting it together. Let's see if it works or not. So I'm gonna lock it. It's locked. Unlock. Let me know if this video helped you guys out. And I actually got more things I gotta do to this. Oil filter, housing gasket, and some other stuff. So let me know if you guys want to see any more of those videos.